Here I have Samsung Galaxy A01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you have a lot of apps opened which you don't use right now, they will eat out your phone's cache memory and other types of memory. So what you can do about it, just tap on this recents button. Here you can see all of my opened apps. To turn them all at once, just tap on this close all button, and after that all of these apps will be closed and won't bother you anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.